All right, we're going to show you how to do a hip hinge exercise to target your glutes. I like the hip thrust a lot. This is a moderately weighted body bar. Lots of people can do lots of weight on this exercise, so you just got to progressively overload and challenge yourself. We're going to plant our feet. We're going to get the bar and push down on it to the top of our quads. Then we're going to get our back and make sure our bench isn't going to move. We're going to thrust up, making sure that I'm looking towards the bar with a little power up, pushing through my heels, making sure I'm activating at the top. Something to avoid with the hip thrust is to make sure that you're not looking too far up or backwards when you're at the top of the hip thrust. So when I'm up, right, I want to be looking down at the bar, not up at the ceiling, so that I'm making sure we're getting proper activation of our glutes. And then we should be good to go.